My name is Alex Baker. I'm the fraternity's Chief Information Officer, and I'm here to show you how to mark a candidate as did not initiate. This essentially is a candidate who has accepted their bid. They have started the candidate process, but ultimately are not going to initiate with TKE. So if you go on the chapter module at module.tka.org, you click on the Members tab, and then hit Submit Members Who Did Not Initiate. You have an option then to choose which type of change you need to make. So did not initiate, create this group. Then click the member's name and hit Selection Complete, Next. And then that class will be submitted to us at headquarters. It will be reviewed by our office. Billing is automatically updated where appropriate. And then you are all taken care of with that D&I. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@tka.org.